Bitcoin is the name of the game in 2017, specifically December 2017. Bitcoin, as I told my students, has become a second language. Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. People who don't even know what the hell they're doing want to buy Bitcoin. People who do know what the hell they're doing are buying more Bitcoin. The question becomes, how did you get in on Bitcoin? When did you get on Bitcoin? Okay, I'm going to answer one of those questions today. When do you get in on Bitcoin? Bitcoin spiked up to a high. We see this spike right here, this candlestick right here. Bitcoin spiked up to $19,697 per Bitcoin today. Today, which is December 7th, Bitcoin spiked up to $19,697 per Bitcoin. What did it do in the same exact day, which is today? What was the lowest point it got to today? Bitcoin touched a low of $15,100. Okay, so roughly $15,000 was the low. Let me explain to you what that means. In the span of a 24-hour period, Bitcoin moved over $4,000 in one day. So that tells you that there's a ton of volatility in the Bitcoin market. And if you don't know what the hell you're doing, you will get slaughtered. As the saying goes in the investment world, pigs get fed, but hogs get slaughtered. This is a greed environment right now. And those of us who are in the finance world, in the investment banking world, in the investment management world, we call these moves, this is what's called a parabolic move. That means this move resembles actual vertical line. And when a stock or any security moves in a parabolic way, it is bound to correct. Because what's going to happen when all of these people who bought down here get afraid, right? They've made a ton of money, but at some point, they're going to run to the gates. They're going to run to the doors. And what's going to happen is going to create a major retracement. Those people are going to do something called take profit. When they take profit, that is when you get into Bitcoin. That is when you buy Bitcoin. When do you buy Bitcoin? When these people who bought Bitcoin at those lower prices cash out of Bitcoin because they want to take their money and run, you buy Bitcoin. You do so at a support level. I'm going to show you where that support level is right here. A support level that just happened here today around the $15,000 level. Okay, Bitcoin spiked up, but look what happened here. Even here, if you look at this chart right here, look what happened. It spiked up all the way to what? Let's look at this number here. It spiked up to 19,697. But what happened? All of these people that bought Bitcoin right here, they cashed out of Bitcoin. They wanted to take their money and run. And what happened when they took their money? Look what happened. Almost the next time period, right at the next time period, Bitcoin fell $4,000. $4,000. Be fearful when other people are greedy, and be greedy when other people are fearful. That is how you make money. I don't care if it's Bitcoin. I don't care if it's the Euro USD, if you're trading currencies, the yen versus the dollar, the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. I don't care if it's crude oil, all commodities, all equities, all underliers work the same exact way. Okay, so to answer the question of one of my Facebook friends, I've been reading tons of things, a lot of misinformation out there. It's not necessarily too late to buy Bitcoin. You want to make sure you manage your risk in Bitcoin. You don't put $5,000 in Bitcoin. You do what's called scale into your position. Start with a smaller position, $1,000, $500, $1,500. Scale into your position as Bitcoin continues to go up, that's when you buy more Bitcoin. Okay. You don't buy at the top. When everyone else is buying, that's the wrong time to buy, because you're basically buying Bitcoin right here. There are people that bought Bitcoin right here where I have this arrow at. There are people that bought Bitcoin right here. There are people that bought Bitcoin right here. So when you're buying into the pandemonium, okay, you never buy at the right time. You always are buying with the herd. You never get a deal buying with the herd. The same thing happened in 2000 to 2001 during the tech bubble. The same thing happened 2007, 2008 during the housing bubble. Pandemonium and running into the direction of pandemonium never makes you money, because you're always too late. Okay, so you buy when there's a correction in Bitcoin. Bitcoin will in fact be a going concern in the foreseeable future. You just got to time your entry and manage your risk, and you can make a lot of money with a very small amount of starting capital if you adhere to those rules. Okay, everyone, be blessed. I will make some additional updates per the request of my friends on Facebook and followers. I only made this video because I've been seeing so many, things, so many posts. I've been getting tons of messages and questions. I have clients and students all over the country. So I felt it was important to make this video. But if you have any additional questions, reach out to me and I will make sure that you get the information you need. All right. Be blessed, family and friends, and I will talk to you soon.